Angelini with a name 221010220031. I'm a student from Ubudiyah University of Indonesia with a Bachelor of Pharmacy Study program. Okay, today I will explain the material about there is and there are. Fulfill the assessment of English course 2 with the lecturer Miss Suci Rahmi Amjusfa, MPD. So, there is and there are in English to indicate the presence of something or someone in the place. Both have the meaning of there is, but their usage differ depending on the number of noun refers to. And then there is used for countable or singular object, while there are is used for plural or countable object. The difference between there is and there are lies in the noun used in the sentence. Noun general consists of two types, namely singular noun and plural noun. Here is the explanation. First, singular noun. Singular noun. Singular noun or there is only one number. Singular noun such as apple, apple, bean, kacang, tomato, tomat, egg, telur, potato, kentang, cookie, cookie, cake, kue, vegetable, sayur, bottle, botol, box, kotak, can, kaleng. A book, sebuah buku. An apple, sebuah apel. A man, seorang pria. A woman, seorang wanita. A house, sebuah rumah. And other. Secondly, plural nouns. Plural nouns are there is more than one number. Example from plural noun: apples, beans, tomatoes, eggs, potatoes, cookies, cake, vegetables, bottles, box, 2 books, 3 apples, 5 pencils, and other. Is used. The phrase there is used to describe a singular noun, while the phrase there are is used with a plural noun. In addition, there is another difference that needs to be understood. The phrase there is can be used to state a noun that cannot be countable or is called an uncountable noun. And then will the phrase there are cannot use for countable noun. And then countable noun are noun that cannot be counted directly and usually do not have a plural form. Here is an explanation and more examples. Examples of countable nouns: water, air, milk, susu, rice, nasi, bread, roti, oil, minyak, sugar, gula, salt, garam, butter, mentega, flour, tepung, cheese, keju, food, makanan, fruit, buah, juice, meat, daging, chicken, ayam, soda, ice, and other. This is example sentence from there is. First, apple. Positive. There is an apple on the table. Ada sebuah apel di atas meja. Negatif. There is not an apple on the table. Tidak ada sebuah apel di atas meja. Interrogatif. Is there an apple on the table? Apakah ada sebuah apel di atas meja? Second, bread, roti. Positif. There is some bread in the kitchen. Ada roti di dapur. Negatif. There is not any bread in the kitchen. Tidak ada roti di dapur. Interrogatif. Is there any bread in the kitchen? Apakah ada roti di dapur? Third, chair, kursi. Positif. There is a chair near the window. Ada sebuah kursi di dekat jendela. Negatif. There is not a chair near the window. Tidak ada sebuah kursi di dekat jendela. Interrogative. Is there a chair near the window? Apakah ada sebuah kursi di dekat jendela? This is sentence from there are. First, two books. Positive. There are two books on the table. Ada dua buku di atas meja. Negatif. There are not two books on the table. Tidak ada dua buku di atas meja. Interrogatif. Are there two books on table? Apakah ada dua buku di atas meja? Second, four apples. Positif. There are four apples in the basket. Ada 4 apel di dalam keranjang. Interrogatif. There are not 4 apples in the basket. Tidak ada sebuah apel di dalam. There are not 4 apples in the basket. Tidak ada 4 apel di dalam keranjang. Interrogatif. Are there 4 apples in the basket? Apakah ada 4 apel di dalam keranjang? Third, 5 pencils. 5 pensil. Positif. There are 5 pencils in the drawer. Ada 5 pensil di dalam laci. Negatif. There are not 5 pencils in the drawer. Tidak ada 5 pensil di dalam laci. Interrogatif. Are there 5 pencils in the drawer? Apakah ada 5 pensil di dalam laci? That is all the material about there are and there is. More or less and apologize. I hope in this useful. I will end with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.